Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone at home. Welcome back to Weekend Tech Talk with IDN Boarding School with me Ali Zaki Azaz, your host, uh, and I'm Corina Sution as the uh, uh, the yes, and then uh, today Abu Kori will tell you guys about the uh, I forgot what it is. So yeah, how to make a login page with Figma. So I hope you guys have a great time. You can sit back as you sip your coffee, eat some food, and okay, let's start it. Hello, Abu Korin Nasution.
Hello.
So please continue to the material.
Okay. Today we're gonna make a login mobile screen. Just three screen for just a simple login screen. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Al I'm from 11 DKV. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the topic. Okay. So first, I'm gonna present first. Wait. Um, yes. Okay. Uh, Can you guys see? Uh, Yes, it's
Yes. So
yes.
far, I can see the
Okay.
Figma screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So first you have to open Figma. If you haven't logged into Figma, just log in. Just make an account, and after that, you click this button, new design file, design prototype, not FigJam file or import file. We click this new design file. Okay. So it will appear a screen like this, and you can rename it into, for example, login screen. Okay, and after that, I just kind of not my favorite that the Figma background is black. I want to change it to gray. As it's up to you if you want to change it or not. And after that, so today we're gonna make login screen. So login screen, if we want to make a design, we have to have we have to have inspiration, because that's one of the UX law, that we have to, our application is same as the uh, other application, so the flow is same. Yes, so today I'm just gonna take some inspiration from um, Mobin. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, Mobin, open new tab and search Mobin. So this website is for a designer to take some inspiration. There are many apps like Binance, Open, Apple Music, Foodpanda, and many. So today I want to use Gojek for our inspiration. Gojek, and yeah, you can choose iOS or Android. Uh, I just choose iOS, and there are onboarding, home, and if you want to access all 99 flows, you can get unlimited access by buying $8 per month. Okay, but wait a minute, it's kind of lagging. Okay, so I'm gonna use this inspiration. Yeah, we want to make this screen, and after that, this screen and this screen until until save. Yeah, or maybe only welcome to Gojek. Um, this one, and what's your name? After that, then okay. So how to copy the image? You can click this screen. Okay. Wait. Hmm. Wait. It can. Ah. Don't zoom it. Okay. Copy screen. Copy. Uh, there's a loading. No. Copy it, and the image is copied, and you can paste it in your Figma. Done, and after that, we can take the frame. For the phone frame, you can choose there are iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, and many. I just use iPhone 14 Pro, and you can small just use while dragging down. You can press shift for the same image, but if you don't press shift, it will become like this. For example, it's like this. Maybe we use this screen. The first screen for our app is Gojek, and the second one ada inspiration. We call this method is remix. We remix from one application, from three application into one application for our application. Yes, like that. Okay, so for iPhone for phone, we have to use grid for to make it stabilize. So there are layout grid in here. You can add plus, and after that you can change it by clicking this layout grid setting and go over right here and click again and change it into column. That it will appear like this, and you can make it the margin is 16 or 20 up to you. I prefer to use 16, and for the count is 4, I think, if I'm not wrong. And after that you can make it just a little bit, make it small the opacity, so you can not be bothered with the red color, for example like this. And what, yeah, I guess, yeah, yeah, it's okay. So the setting is like this, 4 4 16 20. Okay, yeah. And so we're gonna search for logo. So you can go right click and go to plugins, and you can find more plugin. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Plugins. There are, scroll down and you can find more plugins, and you can search in this. Okay, search for logo ipsum. So it it can generate like a logo, fictional logo, that we can use for our project. Yes, there are many style of logo. There are localized, circular, many. Just up to you what do you want to use. And I just use the simple one. I think mm, maybe this one. Okay, so we're gonna make it blue. Uh, okay, blue, and can just follow the layout from Gojek, because with copying, with remix, we can make our design. We can turn our design. So this is just for beginner. You can just copy the layout, and this. Okay, wait. Nah, and after that. Make it small. Make it small. Maybe. So if you want to make it small, this logo or vector, you have to press K. If you don't press K, if you make it small, it will. Yeah, it can. Uh, I think this is the text. But if the logo Ipsum is text, Ipsum is a text, we can't. We have to press K before we scale it. Before we scale it, for example, like this. Hmm. Hmm. First, if we don't press K, um, look, the logo, the text one is uh, not following the frame. It will just stay at the same size. So you have to press K before you make it small. But if it is vector, it can. So just make it 20 or up to you. Oh, I think it's too small. 20. Eight. Okay. Examples like that, and there is also English. English. Okay. For can write it. For text, you can use shortcuts. Press T, or you can click right here and then just type it English. So I'm gonna use. Early I didn't like that much to enter. I prefer to use a plus Jakarta Sans. Okay, and after that, look at this Gojek screen. I think it's regular. Make it regular, and for the font, I think it's 12. 14. Hmm. 14. Sorry. Just follow the layout for trying our skill, our design skill. Okay, and after that, and how to make like this is we can use shift A, or we call it auto layout. So if you click shift A, auto layout add, and after that you can just uh, what setting the horizontal padding, vertical padding, for example. So I think this is 8, this is 6. And after that, how to make outline like that? You can add this through, yeah. And after that, you can make it gray. Uh, and how to make it rounded? You can go click the frame, and after that, you can change the corner radius. You can increase it like that. Or if you want to not that rounded, you can use 6 or 7 or 8 like that, or 10 or 12. I want to make it rounded, just make it the same as Gojek. So there are also icon in there, but we didn't use icon right now. So for the icon, you can search it on the community. It's many in the community for free icon. Okay, and after that, I think this is 16 for like that. That we can put it uh, next to logo. If you want to make it more tidy, you can use auto layout. You can shift A and then make it into the middle and make it auto. With auto, you can the English is the horizontal gap between item is auto according to the frame. Okay, ready like that, and after that we want to write this. Welcome to project. Just copy the text. How big is the text? How bold is the text? Just for example, is bolding ya. So that, and I think this is a bold, extra bold, and after that you can make it big. Uh, for the font size, it's four four times four. So for example, it's 4, 8, 12, 16 like that times 4, 20, 24, 32, 36, 40, 58. It's all for 4 times 4. Yes. So the size for this welcome is 20. Oh no, no, 24. Yes, 24. That make it like this and just copy, Command V. After that, make it down and make it regular and make it into 16. Where your go to app for so free commute like that commute and make it just half. Wait, where here? Yeah, I think the phone is too big. Maybe you can go to 14. Yes, 14, and you can. No, no, no. It's 16. Right. Sorry. And after that, we can add auto layout 2 and make it 4. And after that, we can uh, move into our frame, our application frame, and just look and put it right here. And after that, we want to make this a button. You can click this rectangle. Rectangle, there's drop down and shape tools, and you can click for ellipse tool, or you can use shortcut for O. And after that, you just follow the Gojek application. Please like this and copy, Command C, Command V, Command C, Command V, like that, and make it auto layout. You can add this auto ellipse button, ellipse circle. Yes, can add it into this auto layout like that. And no, 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 sorry, sorry. So this is too close. You can make it into 12, and after that you can change this color into blue. So if you want to eyedropper, or you want to copy the color, you can use shortcuts E, or you can click right here and there is eyedropper, or you can click E and just copy the color you want to copy. That it will appear that it will change the color into the color you copy, like that. And after that you can just write login and comment fee. I'm new, sign me up, like that. And make it, I think this is bold one, bold text, and that you can make shift again auto layout for, yes, and just make it like this. Just follow for learning with copying design that already made. It's really work, guys. Let after you follow the size, you can add fill, boom, and it will appear like this. And after that, we can make it rounded, as I said before, in this corner radius. Make it make it rounded, rounded 24, and then you can move this login into our page. So you can like this. Just follow the grid for our application. So that you can press the IDN developer and you can copy the color, and it will be like that. And we want to change this login color, login text color. Just in Figma you can also write the color in this hex code. You can write white. It will change the color into white, like that. And after that you can just copy this, we just delete it, and just copy this, or you can use out or option in Mac, and then you put a drop down and it will copy. So it's not that different with command V, but yeah, it's okay. And after that we want to add stroke. So this outline, the name in Figma is stroke. You can add, boom, and after that we can uh, minus the fill, and after that we can this is the thickness of the stroke. If 17 like that, so this is the thickness of the stroke. I want to make it to 1.5, and after that we can change the color into blue again. Just press I, and after that this change the white color into blue too, and then change the text into I'm new, sign me up, like that. So it almost done, but and we want to add text like this. We can press T for a shortcut, or you can press in here, and after that yes, and just copy by logging in or registering. You agree to our terms terms of service and privacy policy. And the text is not seen by us. We can make it same as the grid. So the function of this grid is make it more tidy lah. Examples like that, and we can change. I think this is regular, and the font is a little bit more smaller, and maybe 14. Yes, 14. And after that, how to change the color into one is black, one is green. You can press the text, double click, and then you block the text you want to change the color, something like this. And you can click this fill, and then eyedropper tool again, and you can copy the blue color, so it will change, and it will change, and you can just do it as before. Just do it like that. And our screen is ready. The screen is ready. So, but if you want to add illustration, you can use plugin. Right click plugin, find more plugin, and story set. So this is the plugin from Flippik, story set by Flippik. You can click it, and wait a minute. Wait, can choose. There are many style. There are Rafiki, Bro, Amico, Pana, Cuate. I like Cuate the most. And for example, is like this. Just use any of these illustration. It's for free, and then you can move it into your frame. Maybe just close it there. Move it into your frame with. So if uh, and we can make it small by just make it small. The grid, boom, boom, like that. And I want to change this color, the yellow color, into blue. So there are so if we take the illustration from story set or any other illustration from Repeat or whatever. So there are many color that used in the illustration. So you can change the yellow color by clicking this, and there are selection color, and search for the yellow color for the color that you want to choose, and you click, and just eyedropper tool, or you can click I, and then just copy the blue color, and then it will change like this. So like that. So our skin is ready for the first skin. And so if you want to remove the columns, you can just move right here. Don't press this because it will we have to make more time. So you just click this, can see or not see, or you can see or not see, or you can use shortcuts by clicking shift G. Okay, and for that we're gonna another application. So this method is the name of this method is remix. So from three apps we combine into one apps like that. And I think this app is good. No, no, no. Sorry. I just used Grab. Grab. The flow is same, yeah. Um, Instagram. Okay, no. I just use Gojek. I think Gojek is one of the best UI design in Indonesia. So you can, if you want to take inspiration for your application, you can use Gojek for inspiration because the UI design is very good. and enter your phone number. So we're gonna make this one, enter your phone number, copy screen, and make it small again by pressing shift while pressing shift. And so we're gonna duplicate by pressing Command D, or you can right click the frame, and there are duplicate. There are no no duplicate in this right click. I think just Command D can duplicate, or you can use Command C, Command V, and we just delete it, delete, delete the right. Yes, and after that, for the icon, I think we can use plugin too. You can find more plugin. You can use flat icon. So plugin is flat icon, and you can run. Wait a minute. Okay, so that you can question mark, question mark, question. I think. Huh? There are. Okay, we can use this one. This, yeah, and it will copy this make it small, and it's small, small, and just delete this English button, and yeah, and back. You can choose this one, up to you. I want to use this one and make it small again. Or for the easy one, you can click this constant proportion, and then make it just 24, because 24 is the ideal size for icon. Or if you want to make it a little bit small, you can 20, and this you can 22. And how to make like this, you can click this logo issue and click this back logo. While pressing shift, you can click this back logo, boom, and it will select these two component, and then you can click press shift A again for auto layout. So you can change this auto horizontal gap into 12, and it will appear like this. Okay, and after that, enter your phone number. Just copy the size. I think this is the same size as this welcome to logo ism. You can copy this text, and then command V, and after that you can turn on your auto grid again for make it more tidy, and then after that change it into enter your phone number. I think it's a little bit more smaller. You can change it to 20. After that, you can duplicate it, and you can look in or make an account if you do logo issue. It's like that. The alignment is center. I want to change it to text line left. can press this and make it a little bit small. I think 14. Um, 14 and make it regular. Wait, 16 I think. Oh, 16. Okay, 16 and then I think this the 8. Yeah, and after that, after we make this, we can make also phone number. Okay, phone number, phone number, and make it medium and make it a little bit small, 14 I think, and after that, phone number, make this color into red. Red. And after that, we can make emoji. So can search emoji in Mac can show emoji and symbol. If Windows, I don't know. Indo guys can flag Indonesia, this Indonesia, and after that you can write plus 62 and make it bold I think. Yeah, and after that we shift A again. Auto layout is very important in Figma to make it more tidy, and I think just follow if you doesn't know. Swallow this. Okay, swallow for this 4 and I think it's 8 or 10. 10 and after that add the fill and add the stroke. As you can see there are stroke there, but not as not seen, just not that visible for us, but there are also stroke. You can change this to gray. It's a bit too old. Can like that, and of that, after that you can change the stroke into boom like that, and make it rounded again because rounded is more clean than this sharp component. With rounded, just make it 8 and or curve. Yeah, so already the same as the Gojek. After that, you can add text again in here like that. I think 18, and you can for this you can make line, make it 2 I think, and get around that you can make line 2 in this area, or you can use shortcut by pressing L and then just make it as the same. Okay, so for the that, so if you want the line is uh, straight, you can press shift while sizing the line and make it round. After that you can make this as a group selection and then shift A, and after that issue with number. 14. And how to add stroke like this, you can use this. You just use line, and I think this two, and just make it group and make it round again, because round is the key, man. And after that, you can add icon taken by plugins again. Run last plugin, Flaticon, and then close. And you can use this, okay, and then make it small as the same as this is 20, and we just make it 22. I think this a bit smaller, 14 I think. Oh, and done, and we can make it just make it group, and then we can make it auto layout in this area, and we want to make it at the top, and we want, and after that we can move it into our frame like this. Just follow the our grid like that, and change the color to blue, or you can use document color. Just press this and it will change. And after that, we can, for this button we can just copy from our home page, and copy and paste, and just make it at the this, because this is a keyboard, or we can do the keyboard. Can search for the keyboard in the Google, or you can just copy and crop this image. And so what are our button? You can just right click and send to back. So our button is covered by the keyboard, and you can make it like this. And so we've done our two screen, and I think uh, because of the time, I think we just end in here. So uh, we just gonna make two screen. Sorry, because of the time. And uh, for my tips, if you want to make your design better, you can copy the layout of other application that was famous, because with copying train we can train our skill too, and we can make our design looks better because of the application that we copy. But if you want to use for project, you have to modify it. Don't copy, because you can get copyright if you copy, uh, just copy, not modify anything. So this is just for train your skill. You can just copy. For me, you can just copy the application that was famous in Indonesia or other, like you can copy Uber for training your skill, for training your design skills. So yeah, I think that is all for me. Sorry if I have any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, what a amazing tutorial that Ari explained. So if you guys have some question in mind, please let me know in the chat because we gonna give you guys some times to Q&A with Abukari himself. So for you guys that interested in what he does, and then for some further questions, you can ask him in the comment. So I will wait till like uh to 5 minutes or something, and then if there's no questions, I think it is better to stop this right away. So let's go. Let's okay. Hit us with some question. Okay. Uh. Okay. So no questions. Okay. It's not 5 minutes exactly, but I guess it is fine. No questions. So if you wanna, if you guys wanna hear something like this, you can check next week for the another weekend tech talk with another speaker and another host. So I think that's all from me. I'm Aliza Kiaza, and this is Abukori Nasution, and we are signing out. Have a great time and holiday. Bye. Oh ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.